Looking for a grooming kit that handles every style, whether it's a clean shave, detailed beard trim, or a sharp goatee? This men's grooming kit delivers just that with its 3 versatile attachments: a hair clipper, beard trimmer, and detail trimmer. It's built to tackle mustaches, sideburns, stubble, and even body hair with ease. If you want a tool that adapts to your look, this kit is worth your attention. What sets this kit apart is its ceramic titanium blades. These high-carbon, self-sharpening blades are precision ground to stay sharp much longer than typical trimmers. That means you get consistently clean cuts without the irritation or tugging that can come from dull blades. Whether you're shaping a detailed beard or trimming a military-style haircut, these blades give you the precision and smoothness you need for a professional finish. The kit includes a full range of attachment guards to customize your style. You get a precision dial that adjusts from 3 mm to 8 mm, a 5-degree tunable blade ranging from 0.5 mm to 2.5 mm, plus 6 guide combs covering lengths from 3 mm all the way up to 24 mm. This variety lets you experiment with different looks or maintain your signature style effortlessly. Battery life is another highlight. Equipped with 2 powerful rechargeable batteries, this kit runs up to 2.5 hours on a single 90-minute charge. That's plenty of time to complete your grooming routine without rushing. Plus, the motor runs quietly, so you won't be distracted by loud buzzing sounds. The LCD display keeps you informed with battery percentage and a lock symbol, so you always know when it's ready to go. Users across the U.S. are raving about this kit. One happy customer shared how the battery lasts forever and the device feels comfortable to hold. After watching a quick YouTube tutorial on military haircuts, they started cutting their fiancé's hair at home, saving $30 every time. That kind of value and convenience makes a real difference for anyone who wants professional results without the salon price. If you're tired of overpriced haircuts or struggling with multiple grooming tools, this kit offers a simple, all-in-one solution. It's designed to give you control, precision, and comfort in every trim. Whether you're maintaining a classic look or trying something new, this grooming kit makes it easy and affordable. Worth a look if you want to save time, money, and hassle while keeping your facial hair sharp and well-groomed. Try it when you're ready to take your grooming routine to the next level.